Besides, like a hug me the side up. Give me this.
What you do?
What you do?
Yeah, eat my food. Let me
So what you do? So me eat my food. But you blood clot, man. You have to show people this to blood clot. No man, go and eat.
Take the camera off of me.
No, go and eat.
You bring the food, come give me my cabbage, eat my food in peace. What the hell?
Stop your eyes up. What you do? And see ya, see ya? See ya? Yo, babe, stop it foolish, man.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Guys, welcome back to Rash Nique. Am I time for prank now? I have a little small prank I'm gonna do. Babes, I cook fish. We'll get some fish from Andrew. Big up yourself, a fishman. We're telling about another vlog. Yes, go get some fish, hear them out there. So we went to go get some fish, and I tell babe say I want brown stew fish and like banana and potato and all of that good stuff, right? So he's out there cooking the food. So people, when him come in here and give me the food, me I could go on like I'm so hungry, and me I could go on like me I eat the food like me can't wait, and me I gotta eat the food like a pig. Like me not have no home training, okay? Your girl don't have no home training tonight, okay? Remember I was telling somebody that I'm not home training? People, I don't really so be eat, really and truly, but I have to prank him. Cause I'm gonna say, yo, why you going to say him not gonna like it? I'm gonna say, why you going to, why you eat the food like this and a beef so? It's a problem in here, okay? Problem. When I say problem, problem. Cause I gotta deal with the food, and I gotta eat up the food, and up the food and the good things, damn. You don't know. People, he was gonna vex. He was gonna say, yo, take your time and eat now. You know, see a bone and in the fish and them thing there, you go and so. But, yeah, I gotta just prank him and make him know, say, yo, listen, I'm hungry. I'm hungry now too. And I better come tell me how to eat my fish and my food. Cause when y'all hungry. And matter of fact, I'm not even hungry right now. Is an understatement. I'm starving like Marvin. Okay? So, people, when him come, maybe day I go and chill. I know so the food's already because him just come in the room and link me. Let me have this thing for my mom. Him just come in the room and link me and I say, baby, the food's already here. And I said, thank God, man, become an hungry bad man. Like, I'm really hungry. I can't take it anymore. Like, I said, babes, just chill now, mommy. I get the food ready for you. I'm quick and fast, quick and fast. So I said, all right. So I put him to the test now to see if him do it quick and fast. I really and truly do it quick and fast because him just come and say, yo, we have food ready. But guess what? Me, I gotta deal with the food quick and fast. Faster than him. So, people stay tuned because your girl is gonna throw down. Okay? And now I'm gonna eat like around the table and so. But me I want like say me I watch a movie. I'm gonna eat in the room tonight. So but just sit down and me I wait, see? But just in the bed I chill. I'm just wait for my food. Cause yeah, I gotta demolish up the food. I gotta tear it up. I gotta go on like me have no home training. I gotta go on like say me never eat from a pan. You know it go already. So guys, remember to spam up the comment section. Team Nique. Okay? Team Nique all day, every day, baby. Okay? So yes, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Rash and Nique. Alright? And join the family, join the fun, join the videos. Grab your popcorn, grab your drinks, and tune in, baby. Cause girl, I gotta go on bad tonight. Girl, I gonna yam up the food tonight. Girl, I gonna just tear up the fish tonight. You understand? Yeah. So stay tuned. You don't know it go already. Food soon ready, baby? Babes?
Yeah.
The food soon ready, my hungry man?
Yeah, it's ready. 5 more minutes.
Oh my god, man, I said that 5 minutes ago.
Alright, 10 minutes then.
Don't play with me. Hear that, people? So you know, so the food soon ready. Him say 5 minutes. Him tell me 5 minutes. 5 minutes ago, in people. So I might just go and chill and wait for the food, cause I gotta go long bad. I might need to get all a little something. Cause I gotta go on bad with the food, you know. I gotta go on bad with the food. I pretty him no know. Let's try to think. I might have to get a towel or something because I don't want to mess up a place. But yeah, I gotta go on bad. I gotta go on bad with the food. Yes. Right, true. So, anyways, guys, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. Okay? Subscribe for good vibes. Alright? Soon catch you back in a second.
1 eternity later.
I want to man with the food. Look at food. About 10 minutes now. I'm gonna get no food. You know, so me I will just go and bad in here. Come ready to eat my food. Sure. Why 5 million years before we get this food here? Jesus, please. 5 minutes turning to 5 hours.
Baby.
Samsung calls. Yes, ma'am.
Here we go.
Hey, food.
What be right? Did I say hungry? Baby, I got the one fork runner.
Yeah, you never know.
Well, it's something else.
Hungry beers, man. I tell us I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry.
Come in, I'll get it.
Yeah, give me this. Hurry up.
I go for mine.
Alright, hurry up and come. And baby,
Yeah.
bring a little sauce for me there.
Alright.
Please. People, man, I dive in the fish, I know. But you might go galang bad for him. I want galang bad for him because I make me wait so long for food. I'm going to tell you I'm hungry. Oh, thank you, babe.
Welcome, baby.
You want to watch a little movie or something? Make sure you find something with me and you like, you know. I want a gunman show in tonight. That may I tell you.
Gunman, you want to put in your hole.
Gee.
I come down.
You don't say you need to be up.
I come down, gunman.
You don't say you need to stop. You need to be up.
Oh, no rest. I got something here.
Anyway, I can't wait for you. I'm going to eat here. I'm hungry. Trust me.
Are you prepared, baby?
What's up? Leave me alone, I'm hungry.
But me I say for pepper, you have so then.
I'm hungry. I'm watching it now.
What?
I'm watching it in there. I slow down my thing.
See that's all I put in, man?
I slow down my thing. I'm from you. Are you fine over?
Beer! Yo, give me this blood. Give me this.
What you do?
What you do?
Not eat my food. Look at my
So
food.
what you
Look at my food. Look at my food, bro. The hell wrong with you? I'm not eat my food. Look how long you take for bring the food. Come give me. And you want to take what? Trust me. No, sir.
I know there's some blood that pepper in there. Lap you. Stop, baby. What the fuck, man? You make me feel my stomach upset. I can't have my one. Beer.
food nice.
Give me this. Give me this.
Yo, what you do, bro?
What the fuck?
You don't see me eat my food,
Say
bro.
take your time, man.
Me take my time. What about you on my mouth? What about you?
Me want to eat my food. You come like a
So
hug me
sit down and
the
eat
side.
my
No.
food.
Me say like a hug me the side.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Take your time. Let me show you how to eat. You take your time. Look.
You can't tell me how to eat. Give me my food. Give me my food right now. Give me this. I'm hungry, man.
Babe.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm not busy where I want to say I'm hungry.
Babe, stop no man. So how me I eat my food? What you blood flat to man?
We are do.
What do you man?
You don't know when people hungry.
I'm not hungry that.
You don't know when people hungry.
I starve, yeah, I starve.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You give me the food now. Leave me alone. And find a movie. And that's if you do. Jesus. Wait. Damn, I'm born.
Babe, stop that.
Stop what, babe?
Babe, if you watch movie and eat, how me if you decide that you eat, me can't. You sit my stomach.
I'm gonna stick your stomach.
That me
and
say.
eat my food. On me, you eat my food, I'm gonna stick your stomach.
You not hear your son?
Hold on it.
Can I go and
When food nice, food nice. Me not
It's
time
food
for
nice, yes, but you not have to go and
Me not have time to wait for nothing. My God. Come on. Food never mind too.
Look at.
Yo, take your camera from me. Take your camera off from me.
Me have to show people this to blood clot. No man, go and eat.
Take your camera off from me.
No, go and eat. Got me up.
Take your camera off from
No.
me. Take your camera off from me. I get to eat my food in peace.
No man.
I want to your
I
virgin.
have to post you.
You bring the food, come give me my cabin, eat my food in peace. What the hell?
Stabilize up with your dog. And see ya, see ya? See ya? How hard me that win? Babe.
Yeah.
Pussy clot.
We were right.
Babe. Babe?
Yeah. Eat your food, babe. Where's
No,
food?
sir. Me can't eat that here. No, sir.
Baby, get your food.
No, man. Me good, man.
Alright, I'm gonna calm down.
No, man. No, man.
May I calm down for real?
My stomach sick already, baby.
May I calm down? Baby, you know you're here for?
Oh,
Because
yeah,
you do it all long for food, I know the food nice, and me eat my food and it's a problem.
Babe, it told me this from my you know you eat from morning. Me not eat all alone, you know.
Come sit down.
No with them the attitude that not them the kind of mentality man. Me pussy.
You can't pass me juice to me?
Jesus Christ.
Come.
Me see if you go up down now. Let me see. Go up see let me see.
Ooh!
That pussy killer, no sir.
Damn! Ooh.
Babe.
That's a bust up, baby. Yo!
Babe.
Food nice, yo!
Babe, stop it foolishness, man.
So me can't go on, sir?
Why can't go on, sir?
How me a go on?
Let me show you. See you? Me didn't know say you don't know. Quite you don't know you do. See you? Look here. See here? Look here. Go there. You see here, babe?
I never think that. Listen, nothing wrong with what me I do. You're over
But me,
exaggerate.
you couldn't
You're
go nowhere.
over exaggerate now. Seriously.
But me.
Me have privacy in my own place and me eat my food.
So
So
hold on there. You not gonna go do that?
what me do? Go do what?
No, alright.
Go do what?
You not go on road go eat just like we are eat now?
Yeah.
I'm glad you tell me.
Something wrong?
No man, that's not man. Me cancel. You know me plans with surprise her tomorrow evening if you carry down at shooters. Shooters or scooters, what them place say?
So you don't know which party I carry me go?
No. Never need sort out what I go. No rest, but me have to cancel that.
Why?
Babe, me nah care, but me nah go now with your name, so.
You make me feel bad now.
So you
make me feel bad for eating my local food.
You feel bad and...
You know for do them something there.
You feel bad and vomit.
You know for do that. Because no, I'm not even...
So me not ask you a question and you say yes, so you go eat? Me no, me can't do that.
Look how you behave. Look how you behave over the food. Look how you want. Look how you behave. I can't even eat my food in peace.
Are you one of them big word there? Narcissist. Look what the mother fish is eating for me. No, me not tell you food. Me I carry my food outside. Good.
No, we are go. We watch a movie.
Watch a movie and eat. When you don't eat, you call me. No, sir.
Beer, come back.
You gonna stop?
Alright, make a beer.
Eat proper. Eat proper.
Okay. That good?
Yeah. Eat my food. Yeah. Boy, I didn't tell you. Jesus Christ. No, sir. Because I can't eat the food again to blood clean. No, sir. Therefore, there go slow. We can't eat again, baby. For real. You see my stomach for
You know what I'm saying? So I make me feel bad. Because I eat my local food.
But you sick my stomach.
Oh, me for sick your stomach, babes.
Alright,
oh, God, man. That's something terrible.
I don't know how, but you sick my stomach. I can't eat
That's something terrible. You might sick your stomach.
Got more vomit when I see I eat. Real talk.
You're so hungry, I'm hungry, you know? You not fair deal with me saying I'm hungry, you know?
You know you choke and dead.
You fuck me not choke because I'm a pro at this.
What?
Babes, you don't see all long
I say eat all the while.
when I'm hungry, babes. I never remember for I done going so, but it's really hungry now. Baby, me's a real pro. You know see?
Alright, go on with you.
Alright. Baby, not even bone. Not even bone can't hold me.
That's it. Go on. Car pro na use for.
Yeah. Why? That part is sweet. Well, what's that? And the bone me dash it. You see that? The skill. A skills.
Yeah, finish them. Let me see what I want.
A skills there.
My blood clot no. No man!
You take my spot. What me for do?
Babe, hold it. You know what? Me I go to so eat my food. I can't eat this. But...
Babes, you tell me for sure. I'm not sure you get mad and I go where?
Can't eat it.
Babes! Babes! Oh my God! People, the man got it fixed. I got to tell you, sir, you might go fix it. And I said, why me after I go on some just take my time and eat the food. When I even start the movie, people, the man vex and gone. No, sir. Go see women there. People, you mean, if vex if God, people, if God, see my food there, if take up people food are gone. But tell us so I'm gonna vex. Him not gonna want me to go on, so he might I cancel with dinner date for tomorrow. Jesus Christ, let's go see where he went. Hear my talk on me. Hear my talk on me. Hear him. Hear him, my talk on me. Hear him.
Just sit my stomach for me, I'm not alive.
What's sick your stomach?
Now you.
We are talking, sir. What's sick your stomach? What's sick your stomach? What's sick your stomach? Talk up. I can hear what's sick my stomach.
You.
A prank, babes. You see me, I go on, sir, for food? A prank. A prank, me a prank you.
I behave like a hug in the I couldn't see in the video.
Yeah, hug. Agisha, my name. Agisha. Boy, get pranking at night. I tell you, say I go vex the way me go with the food people. I tell you no. See me? Him out, him come out, come eat. Yes, see me at the table, I eat. Left me. After I watch movie night, I eat with dinner. The man left me. Where mean he go? Come on, and stop playing with me. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go eat dinner. We're having a dinner and a movie night.
Food too quick, I know no more feed.
Dinner and a movie night. Dinner and a movie night. What's your face? If it looks good, kill.
Italian food. I can't eat my food good. A problem.
Why? Where I go?
So you prank him?
Yes, prank him backside, yes. It take too long to give me food, watch it. It take too long to give me food, mommy. I'm gonna tell him I'm hungry.
Oh my god.
Every minute I ask about the food ready. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes to 5 hours. Time for me eat now. Come on, baby, let's go. People, watch it. Tell us, I'm gonna vex him there. Vex, watch it. I'm sitting on back at the table, vex. Watch it. Watch it. You really vex, baby? Papa, come.
You're not a decent man.
Decent. 13 years ago, I'm decent. Decent. Look how me nice. Look how me nice. I'm decent, good girl.
My man stand about you so long about fire and cook food there, go and that's the thanks for him get pranked.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, you see that?
Yeah. That's the thanks, baby. I had to thank you. You want to know how I thanked him? He took away my fork. I'm going to grab up the dumpling with my hand. My beer hand. Not the dumpling with the banana. With my beer hand. Can I take something to stop my flow when him take away my fork? That never gonna happen. Because when you want to eat, she gonna eat. Come on, baby, let's go. Love me? Alright, the egg part gone for after tonight. Here? It gone after now. After that video.
I tell me I said no, but maybe she only go for Annie not eat fast.
Yes.
I think she has said.
Agisha.
I think you have said.
Anna Anika Agisha. You hear that, mommy? Agisha.
Oh, I didn't know what was happening, son.
Come, baby, let's go, baby. Come on. Stop being like that. Stop being like that. You cook the food, give me y'all come go on and wait upon me. The man vex because my name is Agisha. I'ma deal with the food proper. I didn't think something like stop me when I take with my fork. Where you think God will give me them good on your fork? Yeah, finger food. My food turn a finger food when I take with my fork. Oh God, I never got friend up my baby. But can't do my baby, so I never got friend up my baby. Anyways, people, this was like a quick little prank for get him upset, for see him reaction. I will get a reaction all time. Team Nique all day, every day, baby. Alright? So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Nation,
which Rash Nation?
Rash
Boxer?
Nation.
Look how you're vex. Look for you. Look here. Look there. Watch your face. Watch him. Vex.
I say eat.
Me make boy have to run out here.
Turn the camera. Turn the camera for me. I say eat. Decent. Shiba. Rash Nation.
Team Nique.
Rash Nation.
Team
The Rash
Nique,
Nation
everybody.
The Rash Nation them know no hug in their life.
Agisha. Agisha, my name. Anyways, people. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, tell a friend about Rash and Nique, okay? I love on the bad. I really like to eat food, but I gotta eat it real decent though. I gotta behave myself. Coming on, my baby upset. But I be myself. But I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.